Hope you like. I'm gonna click on it. I don't name my stuff either. This is amazing. Oh god, this light out. It's daytime, honestly. Oh, for you, for sure. Aren't you like 9 hours ahead? Hold on. So before I see anything in this, I'm hiccuping. Oh, shit, hold on. Okay. Come on, bring the fucking thing over. I'm hiccuping. I'm sorry. Water for sure. I'm sorry. Just give me a second. I'm good. I'm good. Just give me a second. You've never seen this before, but it happens. I'm fucking fine. Okay. Okay, we're fine. So, the first thing I see in this, randomies. This is really bad. This is really bad. Okay. The face mask. But the buttons on it. Deep breath. No, for sure. Okay. The face mask, but the buttons on the face mask, I love how they have a question mark on them. Almost like a depiction of random. Fucking A, Rufudo, shut up. Shh. I'm fine. Guys, just ignore it. Just ignore it. It's not happening. Okay, so the buttons on the face mask with the fucking, like, this is where my eye go, where the bright colors are in this. This is where my eyes go always. And the question mark there, it's like a depiction of random. Dude, randomies! Like, do you see it? Do you see it now? Like, and with your whole branding and stuff, how do you not see that now? Like, I think it's like a mental thing. Like, but like totally, like, it's almost like you're like you signed this. Like, ignore your name being there. But it's almost like the question mark is like you signing it. You see it, can't be unseen. Dude, for real. So, like, it's almost like you don't even need to sign your work. And just, like, sign it with, like, question marks randomly, hidden somewhere. It'd be such a cool way to sign your work. You know? At first, before you know, though, I don't know if you want to go that direction, whether or not you want to, like, sign your work with the random thing, which is totally on brand. I wouldn't say anything against it, for real, because, you know, random thing, on brand. But I might start doing that full credit too. Fucking A. Fucking A. You totally should. Don't even give credit to me. Just fucking start doing it and own it as your own thing. Just saying, some artists do that. They hide their signature in the painting. They want people to be drawn to what it is. But the thing is with this, that really drew my eye to that. It's one of the brighter things in this, as far as one of one of the things that draws the most eyes. So you might want to find an element in it. And you're going to learn this more in art school, because I'm totally hiccuping right now, but just like we'll muscle past it. As one of the things that really drew me to this piece is the face mask as an aesthetic, and then things that look like buttons. That's for me. But circular shapes are organic shapes and something that draw eye anyway. Anything that's a brighter value than others is going to draw the eye first. So you might want to find the area in your painting that people draw their eye the first, like first the most, and that's where you stick your signature. Real seclusive and like, you know, weird like, but anyway. Not weird like, but seclusive, but something people see first, you know, because it's like the most bright value in the piece, depending. Super smart, actually. Thank you for that. You're welcome. I don't know how much advice you want to take from someone who's hiccuping while they're talking to you, but it's a thing. Anyway, Riddler confirmed. Fuck you, Ruruto. You're waking up, aren't you? Go have your coffee. I'm gonna keep drinking water. Don't even, Renemies. Don't even with the credit. You're good. You good. Do your thing. I don't need credit. I just like gave my opinion. It's whatever. Whether it's good or bad, it's up to you to determine. It's your business. It's your life. It's your whatever. It's your passion and artwork. I don't care. I mean, I care, but you know what I'm fucking saying. Like, take your credit. Hiccup stream. Is it worth it to put a signature on your art? I don't know whether to use one of the features. So, Fellini, it is. I didn't sign my artwork for a long time, but I sign it kind of like small and inconspicuously. But you want to have some way wherever you post it where they can find you later, no matter what. So, even like on your social media, if you send your artwork a certain way and have like one thing you put on there, you want to have that visible on your social media so they are able to recognize it as a thing even if they search it. It is a huge part of marketing. And it is very good to sign your work, yes. It doesn't take away from the artwork. I thought that at one time whether or not something was going to take away from the artwork, a shape or a color or whatever. But really, it's the best way to market yourself. Dapper! Fuck. Everybody, I'm really sorry for the hiccups. I don't do this very often. I'm drinking water. But apparently hiccups happened. You can enjoy it now. Yeah, no worries. Just a little thing to make it obviously yours, I see, for sure. You guys, you don't even know. You don't even know. Those that are new here, you don't even know. Hiccups are little accidents, like Bob Ross paintings. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Hiccups are a natural thing. It's just about breathing. You guys! I'm hydrating. Oh, fuck. So hiccups make the best memes, I'm just saying. I was drinking whiskey the other night, too. When I stood up, the room wasn't stable. Dude, Dapper, that happens. Like, that fucking happens all the time. Trust me. So if you come here, This is a drinking stream. I'm normally drinking, but it's all fun, and it's all bullshit, and it's all like, this doesn't happen. I haven't actually, guys, how many people here that have been here in the last 2 years have seen me hiccup on stream? How many people? I think this is the first time. You're seeing a rare fucking thing. It happens like crossing the road. We like bullshitting here and having a good time. Okay. The sun is up. It never went down for you? Henry, that's right. I seen it. No, you guys. No, you haven't. No, you haven't. Maybe a little bit, but not really. Not like this. Not like this. Hiccup. You guys are liars. I'm calling you all liars. I have not allowed myself to hiccup like this on stream before. This is the first time to hiccup like this on stream. First fucking time for me. You're all liars. Okay. Oh, fuck!
Boo.
That'll scare the hiccups right out of me. Let's see if the hiccups go away. Thank you, Dapper. The kid. Fuck. I don't think it did. No, it didn't. Okay. We're creating original freaky monster right now. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna drink more water. Hey, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Drink it upside down. Can I flip my camera around? That'd be so funny. Let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna make John Bernthal dance his fucking ass off, and I'm gonna flip my camera around because... Let's see if I can do that. Because it's fun. Ah, shit. I have a zoom of focus, pan tilt, nothing that really, sharpness, contrast, brightness. I have nothing that can flip it around. Damn. Oh well. I guess we'll stay like this. Don't shoot me. Key, don't laugh. Don't laugh. ASMR hiccuping new genre, dude. That'd be not a that'd be not a sustainable genre. I'm just saying, it would not be sustainable at all. Mark, what are you doing? Okay, this is all not good. This is all not good. Everything about this is not good. This on stream? First fucking time for me. You're all liars. Okay. Oh, fuck!
Boo.
No. That'll scare the hiccups right out of me. Let's see if the hiccups go away. No. No, Dapper. Yo. Thank you. I'm not hiccuping now. I think the hiccups went away. Oh.